Today we're going to be upgrading my Evo 9 ACD transfer case with a one-way M factory. Obviously I have it all torn down already, but disassembly is pretty straightforward and it's going to be just the reverse of the process. First on the list, we're going to be replacing all the outer seals and O-rings for this transfer case. I got my seal driver in there. There we go. We'll find the one that matches. That's that. We'll get it lined up on there. Might have took a try or two, but we got this in here nice and flush, and this is good to go. Ugh. There we go. Yeah, I don't think there's enough bite there in the middle of that. So the punch is working pretty good.
Yeah.
We'll change this big O-ring to all right. Okay. Unfortunately, my rebuild kit did not come with this O-ring, so I guess we're going to have to reuse it. It didn't come with this O-ring either. So go ahead, just give it a little wipe off. So now let's assemble the diff carrier housing and the center diff. And we will switch to this one. This one will go in. That one. Now we can put our top hat on, and we'll line up our holes. There we go. Finding the torque spec for these was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I found an old forum. I got some instructions sitting over here with torque specs and stuff. Thankful for Evo M and the ancient forums. These bolts that hold on the ring gear to the diff carrier housing get torqued at 54 foot-pounds, and they take, oh shit, a little bit of red Loctite. That'll be all right. So now it's time to torque it, and this is the magic piece that is going to help me torque it. So this is actually a gift from Brandon Schwab, who is a guy in California who owns the Evo shop. Shout out Schwab, and he hooked me up with this. I just shipped it to me for pretty much cost of shipping, and this is a spider gear is what he called it, out of the transmission side. And so what you do, you put this piece in the vise, and then you slide it into here. So you mount the vise down here, put it into here, and this will allow me to torque the bolts. Because you don't want, this slides into, like, you don't want to just gouge this up and put this in a vise and torque it and cause any potential issues. We're going to try and be proper about it. We're going to throw that in the vise like that, torque this bad boy down. So we'll get this thing set up in the vise. Now we can put the diff carrier housing on it and torque these bolts down. As I stated a little bit earlier, we're going to do it to 54 foot-pounds, and we're going to, just like when you torque your wheels on your car, going to do it in a star pattern. Nice. Now, shit, I guess I gotta hang it off the edge a little bit. There we go. Here's an O-ring right here we need to change. This little one. Before this goes on, we got to install the race and this washer ring, which goes just like this on this side. So I am actually going to lube up this O-ring just a little bit, because this one is a tighter fit, putting this ACD half onto the transfer case.
It's the inner splines that can move, and it's kind of like I just kind of shove my finger down in there and just see if I can get a little twist to it.
Do you move it on the ACD side or the transmission side?
On the, I think I do on the ACD side.
Man, I can't fit. You got some long ass fingers. And now, what we should be able to do, this end, stick this in and spin. Great fucking success! So we got the torque spec here from the service manual, and it is 17 foot-pounds plus or minus 2. All right, let's see if this thing goes to 17. Sorta. Wow. Okay, 3 foot-pounds. Okay. So 20 was too much. You lied to me. Well, it didn't go perfectly, but we got it done in the end, and I hope it helps you out, because there's a lot of people, their videos don't cover actually assembling and torquing it and showing how to use it in the vise. So I hope these tips will be helpful to you when you rebuild your Evo 8 or Evo 9 transfer case. And as always, stay boosted. Peace out.